Hello all, welcome to the demo Calendly Zoho CRM Sync. The prerequisites for the app installation are you should have a Zoho CRM account and a Calendly account. Calendly Zoho CRM Sync is mainly used for booking online appointments with your clients. Go to Zoho Marketplace and search for the application Calendly Zoho CRM Sync. I am going to install the trial version of the application. So click Start Free Trial. Select the checkbox by agreeing to the terms and conditions and click Continue. Select the checkbox here and click Continue to install the app. You can choose the users or profiles to whom the app should be installed. I am selecting Install for admins only and confirming that. You will be redirected to your Zoho CRM. You can see that the extension is installed successfully. You will have to enter your Calendly API key here. So go to your Calendly account and under integrations module, you will be able to see your Calendly API key. So copy the key here and paste in API key section and save the settings. You will be redirected to extension settings page. Here you will be able to see your Calendly API key, and in addition to that you can see Calendly API key map where you can map your Calendly Zoho CRM users API key by entering their Calendly API key in this column. And there is also another option called Calendly Zoho CRM users map where you can map your Zoho CRM Calendly users with their Calendly account so that you can assign the event owner whenever a meeting is booked from a user's Calendly link. You can also add Calendly clients to either leads or contacts module. There is also option for field mapping where you can map the answers you get from Calendly to corresponding fields in your Zoho CRM. There is also email content for contacts so that we can email the details regarding the online meeting booked with them. So you can edit this if you need. So this is all about the settings, and now I will tell you how to book an appointment with your leads or contacts. Go to your lead section. You can click any one of your contacts. Click the drop down here and click new appointment for booking a new appointment with your lead. Select the appointment owner. Now select the type of appointment you wish to book with your lead. I'm selecting a 30 minutes meeting. Select your convenient date. Select your convenient slot and confirm that. You can enter all the details like name, email ID. You can also add guest if needed and click schedule event. You will receive the confirmation that the meeting has been scheduled with your lead. So whenever a meeting is booked, you will receive the notification inside your Zoho CRM so that you can plan accordingly and attend the meeting. So let us refresh the CRM once. Under each lead or contact, you will be able to see a module Calendly events where you can see your booked Calendly appointment. And also under the module Calendly events, you will be able to see the list of all Calendly appointments you have booked with your clients. There is also option to email the details regarding the meeting to your lead or contact. For that, you can go to any of your lead or contact and click the drop down here, and you can see the option email events URL. So if you click that, the email will be sent to a lead or contact regarding the meeting details. So this is all about Calendly Zoho CRM Sync. Thank you.